Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the physical requirements are met. An active SIM with the correct phone number and either cellular data or Wi-Fi available. Once done, update iOS to the latest version and keep the phone charged. Next, go into Settings and turn off iMessage and FaceTime. This prevents server conflicts when re-verifying. Make sure you know your Apple ID password. You will sign out or re-authenticate, so keep it ready. Start immediately. Do not skip the update or connectivity check. You now sign out of your Apple ID from settings under your name. If asked, keep a local backup and note passwords. Once signed out, reset network settings to clear any corrupted carriers or message routing. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but resolves hidden issues. After the reset completes, restart the iPhone, then reinsert the SIM if you removed it earlier. Wait for full signal bars before proceeding. This ensures the phone can receive the verification SMS or carrier handshake reliably. You finish by signing back into your Apple ID, then re-enable iMessage and FaceTime. When prompted, request the verification code and enter it immediately. If SMS verification fails, choose the call option or get a code on another trusted device signed into the same Apple ID. Make sure the date/time is set to automatic, otherwise codes can be rejected. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm SMS routing and that the number is active. This single chain of steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.